Hello traders, welcome back one more time here with Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today I make the camera because I was get one message from one of us friends from Italy that say that they already don't see me long time. Then I put the camera especially for show myself one more time. Till now it's still the old camera. I'm already preparing for have a new camera with better quality that you can see better my face for looks more beautiful, because at the moment with this camera you cannot see all this incredible beauty that I have here. The most with this new air cut that I have it, air cuts or air cut that I have, I think looks really nice. Okay, let's today answer the question of one of us friend who speak Russian that asked me how to find out which stocks or ETF or instrument pay dividends inside of eToro. Okay, first of all, you in eToro really don't have a way to searching only the instrument who have dividends. They still don't make that possibility. They don't have these screeners inside. Set for the moment will be really nice if they add one of these screeners. You just searching by dividend and they put everyone outside. I hope eToro is listening me today. Maybe he will do it. That would be really great to do. Would be really helpful. But we can find out which instrument give us dividends in another ways. Stocks is really simple. You just go in the stock you are searching. Let's say an example, we go to Apple. Let's say we want to know if Apple give us dividend or no. We just click in statistics, and then we find here one row where it's writing dividend and yield. That is mean the dividend yield that have the stock in question. In this case, Apple have a 0.61% of dividend yield. That will be 0.80 cents of dollar each for each stock we own a year. Okay, this is the dividend he give a year. Keep that in mind always. If we searching for another, let's say Microsoft, an example, I go to Microsoft, he will show also, we go in statistic, and he show to us that pay a 0.96% of dividend. That will be $2.14 a year for each stock you own. Okay, but now if a stock don't have dividend at all, like say Google don't pay dividends, that we know for sure. We go in statistic, and he showed that the dividend yield is 0. Like this, you know that this instrument don't pay dividends. But now we have one problem. If we want to know which date they pay, or how much pay, if it's monthly, quarterly, every 6 months, one time a year, we want to know which date they're gonna pay us the dividend and which day we need to own the stock before pay the dividend, for we can be eligible for get the dividend as self, that we can get paid that dividend to us. For that we're gonna use a separate application, but first and all I want to show you, if we go in ETF, like example VOO, the ETF who follow the SP500, and we go in statistic, here don't show to us no one information about dividend. But this ETF, even if it's a CFD now in eToro, pay dividends every time. And eToro don't show us. I already contact my eToro account manager and he assured me 100% that they pay dividends. Every ETF who pay dividends in who have written they pay dividends in other platforms, it means they also pay the dividends inside of eToro. That's for no, I for sure I was get one time. Now I don't own no one for the long term, so I cannot assure you if it continue to be like that. But they say me that it's like that, so I'm gonna trust their word. They say 100%, nothing we lose to buy one and waiting and check if it's coming this payment to us. Now, for find out which ETF pay dividend to us and how much, we're gonna use a separate application. Not all the ETF pay dividends, but the most, yes. For that, we're gonna use in this case Seeking Alpha. You really can use investing.com, Seeking Alpha, Wallmine, Wall Street. Exists many platforms that we can use it for find out the dividends. Yahoo Finance, really a lot. But now we concentrate in Seeking Alpha because it gives us easily and for free a lot of information that we needed. Let's say we are searching VOO, this ETF, VOO Vanguard SP500 ETF. Here in the right side show to us a lot of information. One of there is the yield, that will be the dividend yield, that is 1.57%. It means each year this ETF pay us 1.57% of the value of the stock, that in this case is $5.30 each year. Now, if we want to study a little bit more and find out which date's gonna pay the dividends, we just click in this row here where it's writing dividends. So we click in dividends, and here will show to us more information. Again, the dividend yield, the annual payment, the payout ratio, the 5-year growth rate, and how many years growing the dividend. Here gonna show the last announced dividend, that will be the amount gonna be paid, the declare date, it means which date they announce that gonna be the next dividend. The ex dividend is mean the date we need to at least have at least own the stock or the ETF in this case before we can get pay, and the record date is that we need to own at least 22 till 23. So day 24 we can sell the stock and still we will get as dividend. And the payout date will be the 28th of December in this case. You can see 12th of December was, no, 18th of December was the declaration of the dividend. The ex-dividend was the 22, the record date was the 23, and the payout date was the 28. And this ETF pay dividends quarterly. That is, you know that every 3 months you will get your dividends from this ETF. Now, if you want to find out about stocks, you just write the stock you are interested. Let's say Apple. Let's go to Apple. Now that we are in Apple, we can see in the dividends, in the dividend part here, the dividend yield, the annual payout, the payout ratio, the same like I explained you before. Which date they announce that gonna be a dividend, how much will be the ex-dividend date, that you need to own the stock before that date at least, and need to own till past the record date. The record date here was the 9th of November. So if we hold it till 10th of November, we can get paid the day 12th of November as dividend. And also this stock pay quarterly the dividends. You have really here a lot of information. You can go inside dividend yields, yields on cost, dividend growth. You have really a lot of information about the dividends of the company you are studying. So the best way for find out dividends in eToro is to study company by company. You can use other platform like Walmart example. Use his screener for only filter the companies who pay dividends or the ETF who pay dividends, and then searching if they exist inside of the platform of eToro. If they are there, great, you can buy them and you can start on your dividends. So I hope that was answer the question of us friend from Russian. If you still have some more question, everybody of you who look in this video, please just comment me down below. I will be very happy really to answer it. If you like this video, the only stuff I asking to you, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's really the best way you can support this community. And keep here in the community, because very soon will be a lot of surprises, will be a lot of nice news. I will be more available for you because I finished my job and now I'm actually without job, and I try to make YouTube and the trading floor my main work. So I will be more time here with all of you. Will be really interesting, but this is gonna be for the next video. So thank you one more time and see you next time. Ciao guys.